Nearly half of employees say their productivity would improve with an on-site water program. Cintas WaterBreak is a cost-effective way to deliver filtered, great-tasting water to your employees. The unit features a closed water filtration system with hot, cold, and room temperature options. The WaterBreak's uniquely designed internal drain system eliminates the dirty drip tray buildup found on other models. With ongoing Cintas service, the system maintains a professional look. The unit is consistently cleaned and filters regularly changed to help your staff stay hydrated on the job. This all-in-one convenient service reduces the expense and hassle of heavy plastic containers and self-maintained water stations. It's also a sustainable solution, helping to curb the disposal of single-use plastic bottles. Get your team the best hydration program with WaterBreak, a cleaner, more affordable water system and service from Cintas. Learn more at WaterBreak.com.